Hello everyone, greetings for the day. This is Vivek from Dreamers Life. We would be covering Clairemont today just to show the progress. This Clairemont is a project which is coming up in Neopolis developed by Prestige Group. This is scheduled to be delivered in the month of June 2026. So let's see what has happened in Neopolis layout in the last 1 month. Hope you like the video. These are the foundation works going on for Tower 1. This is our marketing office. Right now I'm taking this video from, and that is the foundation work going on for Tower 2 at a far distance. I don't know if you can see.